Tommy is happy. Lily is smiling. But, oh no!
Tommy is missing. Where is Tommy?
Can the family find him before it is too late? Let's watch the story.
Today is a hot summer day. Tommy smiles. Lily smiles. Lily smiles. Everyone is happy.
Today we go to the swimming pool.
Yay!
Let's make sure we have all the swimsuits.
We got the snacks and water.
Great job, kids. Now we are ready.
Wow, look at the big blue pool.
Remember to stay where you can stand.
And listen to your father.
Walk slowly. Be safe.
Let's make sure you are both ready. Tommy, your life jacket is nice and secure.
I am ready to swim.
Lily, let's check those arm floaties.
Look, I'm all ready too.
Great, now go have fun and stay.
I'm gonna splash you. Watch out, here it comes. Wait for me. I get you. Can you help me, please?
He forgets to ask Mom. The water gets deeper. Tommy feels a little nervous.
Mom!
Tommy feels nervous.
Mom! Mommy!
It is okay, Tommy. Grab on.
I was scared.
You are perfectly safe now.
I'm sorry.
But you must ask next time. Let's get you a dry towel now. Always stay with us. Make sure you drink your water, okay?
We can go back in soon.
Look at the sky!
Everybody out!
Mommy, did you hear that?
Everyone out of the pool now!
Lily! Lily, where are you? Lily, please answer me. Where can you be?
Where did she go?
I don't see her.
Lily?
Lily!
David, I can't find Lily anywhere.
Don't worry, we'll find her together. Lily!
Lily!
Please answer us if you can hear me.
I was waiting here.
Go ahead and say thank you to the lifeguard, buddy.
Thank you for keeping us safe, lifeguard.
Safety comes first.
We will always follow the rules.
A fun party is better when everyone stays safe.